welcoming one and all for the LMSc content program which was sponsored by Department of Collegiate Education, Karnataka. Myself, Dr. Mahadeva Nayak NS, working as Assistant Professor in Government First Grade College, Banur. Program Bachelor of Commerce, Subject Principles of Marketing, Semester, Second Semester, University of Mysore, Session 33. Session 33, Retail Marketing, the growing importance of retail industry. To learn the importance of the retail industry in this session is the learning objectives. Learners or understand how retailing has mirrored the increasing prominence of the retail industry will be the social outcome. Retail industry. The retail industry is the sector of economy which is consisted of individuals or stores, commercial complex agencies, companies and organization, etc. involved in the business of selling or merchandise diverse finished products or goods to the end user, consumers, directly and indirectly. Goods and products of the retail industry or sector are the finished final object products of all the sector of commerce and economy of a country. The importance of retail industry. Retailing is not only an integral part of our economic structure but also shapes and shaped by our way of life. The power of individual retail organization is growing. They are now comparable with and even bigger than many manufacturers, which is an indication of the growing dominance of retailers within the supply chain. Importance of retail industry. Customer convenience, accessibility to products and services, the convenience of size, providing associated services, supply chain, value chain, research and information, mobilizing finance, economic development, generating employment, social responsibility are some of the importance of retail industry. Factors involved for growing importance of retail sector. Large and increasing contribution to GDP. Economic importance more visible. Major employer. Retail sector will give the major employment. Now in the recent lockdown period we can see that Flipkart industry given 25,000 of employees, appointed 25,000 of employees. Retailers are gatekeepers. Retailers diversifying their activities. Organization growing on the international scale. Size of operation allowing for supply chain control. Blurring of areas of retail to include wide area of business activity. Sum up the session. Retailers today can no longer be accurately characterized as intermediaries that buy from suppliers and sell to customer. Today they serve as ecosystem in which value is created and delivered to customer and subsequently appropriated by the retailer and its business partners.